of the Delhi Assembly elections, one of the main issues among Delhiites is about poor living conditions and improper waste management. Delhi's Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena, on his visit to areas of South Delhi, pointed out that people are living in hellish conditions and urged Delhi Chief Minister Atishi to take necessary steps to fix these problems. The Lieutenant Governor even shared a video on social media platform X wherein residents complained about the frequent power cuts and smelly waterlogged alleys and streets. Former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal thanked the LG for pointing out the government's shortcoming and said that the government will get the area cleaned at the earliest.
सबसे पहले तो मैं एलजी साहब का धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी कि उन्होंने रंगपुरी पहाड़ी की समस्याओं के प्रति हमारा ध्यान आकर्षण किया। मैं उनको ये कहूंगी कि उनको दिल्ली में कहीं पे भी कोई समस्या दिखे वो हमें बताएं। आम आदमी पार्टी की दिल्ली सरकार अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के मार्गदर्शन में दिल्ली वालों की हर समस्या का समाधान करेगी। एलजी साहब ने न्यू रोहतक रोड के बारे में कहा था कि वहां पे पानी भरता है, सड़क टूटी हुई है। उसके बाद युद्ध स्तर पर 150 करोड़ की लागत से वहां पे एक नए ड्रेन का काम शुरू हुआ, सड़क बनने का काम शुरू हुआ। एक तरफ की सड़क बन गई है।
Delhi LG V.K. Saxena has released a 2.5-minute video from his visits to different constituencies in the national capital, where he is showing visuals of very terrible living situations. So we were seeing visuals of overflowing drains, of infrequent electricity, as well as broken roads. Now this remains a constant point. Sanitation and amenities, civic amenities as such, have been a major flashpoint even during monsoons, when the opposition BJP party were locking horns with the Aam Aadmi Party, and the whole battle over accountability on who is supposed to maintain drains and roads in different parts of Delhi was a major focal point. Now again we see that these issues are being invoked by the Delhi LG right before elections, and in fact for Arvind Kejriwal, the former Chief Minister for Delhi, has in fact thanked him now for pointing these issues out, and even said that CM Atishi and other concerned ministers will be looking into these issues. He has also spoken about how many of the roads that the Delhi LG has pointed out in his 2.5-minute long video are being repaired and in fact will be inaugurated soon.